Welcome to News at NWU, your window to what's making headlines at our Northwest University. The Northwest University officially launched the NWU Enterprises on 12 August, marking a significant milestone in the university's journey. Governed by a newly appointed board of directors, chaired by Kenneth Setzen, NWU Enterprises is poised to manage a growing portfolio of directed research and consulting activities. Prof. Bismarck Jobeka, the university's principal and vice-chancellor, emphasized that this launch is both the realization of a strategic vision and the beginning of a new chapter for the NWU, addressing financial pressures while fostering innovation and entrepreneurship within the academic community. In commemoration of Women's Month 2024, the NWU Alumni Relations Office hosted an inspiring event in Sandton, Gauteng. It was a day dedicated to our women, providing a space to pause, network and unwind. The event honored the incredible women in our communities, celebrating their resilience and strength. Prof. Linda Du Plessis captivated the audience with impressive statistics from NWU and highlighted the accomplishments of the women who have come before us, as well as those shaping our future. Community engagement leaders at the Northwest University recently enhanced their ability to measure the societal impact of their initiatives during a training session led by Prof. Dave Snowden, creator of the SenseMaker platform and the Sinofin framework. The training highlighted SenseMaker's potential to revolutionize impact measurement in academic settings by enabling self-significant and a deeper understanding of complex community projects. In a thrilling match at the NWU Mahikeng Stadium, Northwest University secured a narrow 1-0 victory over Tshwane University of Technology. Both teams struggled to break the deadlock in the first half, which ended at 0-0. The breakthrough came in the 51st minute when the NWU's Riatlegile Khositebe scored, assisted by a precise cross from Momelezi Mgati. Despite TUT's strong second half performance and multiple scoring opportunities, NWU's defense held firm, ensuring their hard-fought win. Join us again next time as we explore how the NWU is shaping our country's future. It all starts here.